Welcome back, everyone. In today's topic, we are going to be talking about creating a mood board, how to create a professional mood board for your client's photography business. We're also going to be talking about why mood boards are important, photo shoot checklist preparation, and also some tips and we'll also talk about location, all that kind of stuff. We will talk about makeup and whatnot. Now, when it comes to mood board, it really all depends on your objective. Now, if you're coming up with an idea from scratch, maybe you have a look that you want to recreate. For instance, if I'm just coming up with a shoot for the sake of just, I just want to have a photo shoot, I might be inspired by a location, so I might find multiple locations. I walk around your estate, drive around, find cool locations, and then you can go backward, find a style, makeup, whatnot. Now, professional mood board is very important, especially if you're going to be working with a team of people, telling them what to do. They need to know exactly what their vision is. They need to know exactly what the goal is. You need to communicate that with the stylist, the hairstylist, the models, the clients. It's just to show them of what the end product will look like. Now, by you creating a mood board, this will help not only your client but the rest of your team understand what the objective is, and this will make sure you have a very successful photo shoot. Now, how do you create a mood board? Okay, professional mood board can be more at the valuable tools for photographers, whether it's for personal business or business or both. It doesn't really matter. Now, mood board allows you to find inspirations, and it allows you to find inspirations or compile a number of ideas. Why are mood boards? Why creating a mood board are so important? If a picture paints 1,000 words, mood board gives you a visual overview of the creative direction. So a mood board is like a map to what the end product should look like. So why do you need to create a mood board? The following allows you and your client to be on the same page, helps the photographer understand what equipment he needs to bring, gives you an idea of camera settings and how to approach your photo shoot, provide direction for colors, props, background, and texture, all that kind of stuff. Mood board, you can just create it. You can just either go on your computer, right click, and name it the client's name or whatever, and then begin putting in the pictures. So if it's going to be what the hair will look like, what makeup will look like, or what styling will look like, what the model should look like. You can create a mood board with Pinterest and then share a link to your team, or use the PDF version and send it out to the rest of your team. Now, this is a photo shoot preparation checklist that you need to have. Now, knowing how to prepare for a photo shoot requires extensive planning, and it's planning after planning, and just so you can get the right pictures. Why preparation is key in photography, especially if the client-based photo shoot. You have enough. Obviously, you have enough memory card. If your memory card is refilled, you have the proper lighting. You have the proper equipment if needed. You know the right location to use, and where everyone else can park. All that kind of stuff. You have a backup plan. Do you have a second backup location in case the other one falls through? What if it rains? Do you have another, so this is, do you have a backup model as well? These are all checklists and preparation in case one of your team member falls through. A lot of photographers make is not giving the models enough direction. From my experience, I've been working with a lot of models. Some models are just natural superstars. They don't need much direction. During the early phase, I used to manage and scout models and run an agency for a brief period of time. There are a couple of models that are just superstar models, and you have a superstar models when other agencies try to poach them or brands don't want to work with them. So obviously finding models that I've experienced, and some models are just naturally just photogenic. You know, you pick up any camera, any angle, you can get 1,000 pictures, and it still comes out great.